So, when we talk about AI models and some of the copyright and licensing issues, there are kind of two categories. First category is the input, and the second category is the output when we're talking about generative AI. So, when you mention training material, you're talking about the first category of input. And there has been a lot of controversy over whether or not the training material that is required to train these models can be used without permission. Because what the foundation models do, and when I say foundation models, I mean that maybe 8 or 10 models are around that literally have millions of pieces of content that they take into their kind of black box and analyze it so that it can be a general use large language model. And many of these models do is they source that data by getting data from anywhere that they can, including scraping the internet for millions and millions of pieces of data. So there's been, as I said, a lot of controversy around whether or not permission is required for them to do that. And many of these models are relying on now is an argument that their use of that material as training material qualifies as a fair use to the Copyright Act.